And today was a most stressful day in the recent times. I can tell you, the market, the way market moved, the way the price action was, it was super stressful. I was so resilient. Like, I am a guy who is very resilient. Even if there is huge MTM losses, I will be sitting on it. But today was a day where lots of new things were happening. I will tell you, explain. I will explain one by one. First thing I will tell you, or a recap of what I told yesterday. I was wrong. I believed, in terms of expiry, I believed that market will be range bound between 23,800 to 23,600. Now, right now, why we believed this or why we told this, there is a rationale behind that. Now, if you see, or if you know what had happened to the markets earlier, whenever they try to move the market, they will have lots of premium. Why they are having lots of premium, or why there is lots of premium, is because this so-called HNIs or so-called FIIs, they buy huge OTM put options and call options because they know the market direction, and they will buy huge OTMs and OTM put options and call options. So IV will increase, and obviously premiums will also increase, right? Now, what happened yesterday? If you know what happened yesterday, if you see around 3 p.m. yesterday afternoon, premiums were not there. Literally, Nifty straddle 80 at the money. Premiums were around 150 rupees or less than 150 rupees, and today morning was around 80 rupees, right? So there was no premium. When there was no premium, there is no premium. They tend to be very calm. So that is why we told that the likelihood of market being calm is very, very high, but we were completely wrong. I was completely wrong in that regards, right? Now, they have moved it. I think from 23,700, it's only 200 points, but the difference is, what makes us feel it was very volatile is, you are not, as a trader, as an option trader, as a short seller, as a delta neutral trader, you don't get premiums, right? When you don't get premiums, even 100 points, even a 50-point move makes it very hard for you to manage the position, and that is exactly what happened today. Like, there were no premiums and market moving like hell. And I can, if you see this chart, you can understand what happened at around exactly at around 12:15. Market from around 23,500 went till around 23,600. Then again, just 15 minutes, 200 points it has moved. Now, we were holding till this point around 12:15, when the market touched 23,600. If you had seen our MTM, it was it was in a loss of around 1.2 or 1.3 lakhs. From 1.3 lakhs, just 5 minutes, it went to profit of around 45k, 60k. From 60k, again it is coming to 1.5. See, I can understand. We are having high caliber, we are very resilient, but this kind of move, market every second your MTM is changing. How do you manage this position? That's why we told we are in profit. Of course, I will accept whatever. If I am wrong, I am going to be wrong. There is no beating around the bush, right? That is obvious. I was wrong yesterday. I never expected 23,600 to be taken out because there was no premium, and so on and so forth. I have told that already. Now, what is going to happen going forward? What might be the range? What might be the there are very important key events in terms of US market. FOMC minutes is there, so there might be a lots of things which are going to happen in the coming weeks. We will talk about that briefly in this video. Before that, let me tell you, there is a event coming up on March 30th, which is going to be a event where they are looking for scouting for prop desk traders, right? So it is a 3-day event, 3-day meet, where if you are profitable, you will get a fund of around 50 lakhs to 10 crore on a profit sharing basis from a prop desk with all the algorithm, HFT, high frequency trading, everything. So it is going to happen in Bangalore. And even if you are not profitable, or even if you are not able to prove that you are profitable, they are going to give you an internship between 30 to 60 days about scalping, hedging, positional strategies, and whatever style suits you. So if you are interested, I will leave the link in the description below. You can join, and you can go through the FAQ, and if you have any concerns or if you have any questions, you can go through the FAQ. There is going to be a and there is going to be a WhatsApp chat as well. If you have any concerns or if you have any questions, you can ask them, and they are going to get back to you as soon as possible. And I am telling it again, it is going to happen on March 20th. And I'll also tell something: if you are a trader, if you are having positions, and if you are carrying till March end, and if you prove them you are profitable for the last 1 year, or you are profitable for the last 3 months also, you are eligible to participate in this contest, right? So as I told you, I will leave the link in the description below. If you want, you can join. Now, going back to the market, what happened today, or what happened in terms of price action is, look at the way these guys are moving the market, right? Now, if you see here, today morning, today is 9th, start only they shorted the market. This is, if you see this chart, you can understand clearly what I'm trying to say, right? Now what they have shorted this, they have shorted this, they have shorted this. So 3 times whenever the market try to move on the higher side, they are shorting, and they are shorting on the downside, so that the market bulls were not able to recover, or bulls were not able to even reverse, right? So this reversal is what I was talking about, where our MTM went from around I was in a loss of around 1.2 or 1.3 lakhs. It went to around 45k profit. Then again it came to around maybe 50, 60, 1.5 or 1. Lakh loss. So we ended the day in a loss only. There is no denial. So why? See, if you are a trader, you have to be, you will understand how this market works and how this premium works. It is very hard to manage these kind of markets. If you are profitable today, or if you had money, if you had made money today, I'll be the most happiest person for you, because many people tend to lose in this kind of market where you see 2 or 3 way moves in the market. So that is what happened today in terms of Nifty. Now, when we talk about what might happen today, what might happen on the coming days, that is really hypothetical, because there are lots of events coming up. If you know, as I told you, FOMC meeting is happening, so that might have some impact. So we'll see how things work out. As of now, what we are seeing, if we see the US market, or if we see the global cues are kind of, let me go to this chart. Let me go to this chart so that you will clearly understand what is happening in terms of US market. US markets are, I think, and if you had noted, US market was also US futures were also volatile. Now this is US futures. If you see, GIFT Nifty is below at around negative 30. It's almost flat. But what we believe in terms of market is that since there is huge FII selling in the market, FIIs are pulling lot of cash in the market. I'm sure now also today also they would have pulled lots of money from the market. What we believe is the likelihood of market going on the downside might be on the higher side. So that is what we believe. And I will tell you one more thing. Whatever happened, price action today, whatever price action happened today cannot be relevant, or you cannot take it as a actual price action. Why? Because because of expiry. Lots of people will do expiry trades, lots of people will buy sell, HNI, FNI, FIIs will buy sell. So today's price action might not be relevant, so we will have to wait till tomorrow what is going to happen, what might happen. If it is they are going to be bullish or they are going to be bearish, we will have to wait and see. But as I told you, as you whatever you saw in the chart, the likelihood of market coming down is very high, and this is and that is self explanatory in this chart as well. They have written huge number of short position, and maybe in next 2 or 3 days market might come on the downside. I will show you in a hourly perspective also. So you can see here it is keep on touching this. If you see this green bar, it is a huge position by FIIs or institutions, long position. So if this has to come out, let's say if the market has to come on the downside, it has to come on the downside, there has to be a big red candle here, big red candle, right? Big red candle, big with a big huge volumes. So then only this green bar or this positions will be squared off, and they will panic, and we will see market going towards 23,200 or let's say 23,000. So that's hypothetical, but market going up, I don't think so. It is not going to happen anytime soon. The probability of market going on the downside is very high, is what we believe. So let us see how things work out. I'm not saying it will crash or it will come down, but looking at all the macroeconomic data or looking at everything, we believe that the market will come on the downside is what we are expecting. And coming back to our P&L, let me change the screen. Yeah, this is our P&L. If you see our P&L, we are in a loss of around today's MTM is around 1.5, and we are in a loss of around 1.69. In this 1.69, we have booked a profit of around 1.2 lakhs. So this is not this might not be actual. If that in that case, whenever we see show you a profit also, we might have some loss making position, or we might have squared off some position. So whatever you are seeing is not actual. See, this whatever number I am showing is a loss of around 1.7 lakh. It is not actual. Maybe we have booked a profit of around 1.2 lakh or 1.3 lakh. So if you minus that one, it is going to be around 40 or 50,000 for this week. So this whole month, I'm talking about this January series. It's been around 2 weeks. So we are having 5 weeks. For January is 5 week series. Another 2 weeks we are having. Another maybe in this 2 weeks we are in loss only. We are in a loss of around 1 lakh. I'm not denying. Another 3 weeks is there. We will see how we can turn things out. Actually, last month was a very good month, but this month is kind of very volatile. We are finding it very hard to trade in this volatile market, is what I can tell you, right? But we don't have to worry about that. Markets are markets. Losses are inevitable. You cannot avoid the losses. All we have to do is we'll have to be patient, and we'll have to keep trying so that we are profitable, right? That is what I want to say. So let us wait and see what happens. Maybe next 2 or 3 weeks. I'll end this video here. I don't want to take much of your time. I'll see you in next video. Till then, take care. Bye.